how much cool stuff there is around here. Got that side and that side. So we're just gonna go across. And then there's some trails. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're way up here. We're overlooking Coloane beach, Haksai beach, and I'm going to tell you all about it in a minute. So at the moment I'm up on this pavilion. There's some bags here. I don't know if they might be doing the landscaping stuff. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, I think they are. I see like a wheelbarrow. I can hear different equipment. So they might be doing that. They're smoking up here. Okay, so let's just kind of go through it. You can see the ocean. There's Haksai beach, which you can't see the beach, but you can see some of these houses, those white houses in the distance. But we're going to be focusing on this area. And first thing I'll show you is this. This is for kids. So kids can take a cardboard box, jump on it, and slide down this hill. So I think you can see that's a hill. And then we're going to be going down this thing in a minute. This is a reservoir. Because they're putting some bricks up out here. So we're kind of in this little walking area. So this is our thing that we're just at. So you can see how it goes down. So kids will play in here. And then of course they'll go down. And then I guess they can just climb back up walk up the cement part and then, or up this wood steps as well. So it's kind of cool. So there's a reservoir to the left. So this is actually a dam. And then in the summertime, they'll have like duck boats. It is summertime, but it's COVID time, so they're not actually there. It's but yeah, there's actually like a little bit of sand. But yeah, so there'll be like little duck things so people will pedal out onto the water at that location. So yeah, we're kind of in a pretty cool little place right now. So yeah, also part of Macau. A lot of people don't realize how much cool stuff there is around here. Got that side and that side. So we're just gonna go across. And then there's some trails as well. So yeah, this is part of Macau. So a lot of families will come out here, kids. This is kind of like a wooden one. So yeah, this is kind of a reservoir. And let's just kind of see what we can see up here. So yeah, there's another trail that you can also walk across that bridge too. And there's also some trails up here, so we're gonna go check it out and see. There's some park benches down there. There's some construction there. It looks like there's a crane. So yeah, let's kind of show you what some of these trails look like as well. And I think we can walk around a little bit, so we'll just kind of give you a little taste of it. And then you can check it out. So yeah, another little part of Macau. This is, I don't know the name of the trail, but there's a little handful of trails out here in the mountains. So maybe we'll, should we take some of these trails? And so we'll just kind of walk through a little bit so you can see. I think we can walk over here a little ways anyways, and we might be able to take that, and then that's where we're just coming from. So let's go check it out. There's some other trails that go up that way too. Yeah, the water is like a really unusual green. I don't know if it comes through that way on the camera or not, but through there's a dam reservoir. So we got these little steps that we're going to take through. So yeah, a lot of people don't really realize that Macau is way more than just casinos. You also have nature and trails, hiking trails, and you have there's a park bench right there too. That's nice. Lots of foliage because it's a little bit tropical, so you got all these ferns here. And yeah, people will come out here and go hiking on these trails. So just walk out and enjoy some of this nature. And it's not too far from the city. It only takes, by bus, it's maybe, depends on which bus you get, but it's kilometer-wise, maybe 3-4 kilometers away from the Cotai strip of casinos. Anyways, I think we'll just kind of walk. I might end up turning around, but we'll just kind of follow through to the end of this a little bit and just kind of see what we can see. I'll let you see it too. And then we'll probably call this one the end of the video, but at least you get an idea about what's out here by a camera. Here's a little marker.
Lots of ferns.
Got ferns everywhere, eh? Up in these. So lots of amazing birds too. So let's just take a look around this corner, and then maybe we'll conclude, and maybe we'll just end it right here. We're just kind of focusing on the water down there and the beauty of it. That's where it just came from, and we'll end it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.